Yarrow is a plant that has been used for centuries in traditional medicine. It is also commonly known as achillea, bloodwort, carpenter's weed, devil's nettle, nosebleed, old man's pepper, staunchweed, thousand-leaf, and woundwort. What is the herb yarrow good for? Yarrow is an herb. The above ground parts are used to make medicine. Yarrow is used for fever, common cold, hay fever, absence of menstruation, dysentery, diarrhea, loss of appetite, gastrointestinal, GI, tract discomfort, and to induce sweating. Some people chew the fresh leaves to relieve toothache. Is yarrow poisonous to humans? When taken by mouth, yarrow is commonly consumed in foods. But yarrow products that contain a chemical called Thujone might not be safe. Thujone is poisonous in large doses. Yarrow is possibly safe when taken in doses of 250 to 500 milligrams daily for 12 months. Why is yarrow called devil's nettle? It was one of the herbs dedicated to the evil one in earlier days, being sometimes known as devil's nettle, devil's plaything, bad man's plaything, and was used for divination in spells. Is yarrow good to eat? Edibility and culinary use. This entire plant is edible, but its leaves and flowers are especially popular to use in recipes. They can be dried and used as a spice. But fresh flowers and leaves are also great for salads, soups, and stews. Yarrow complements vegetables and fruits well.